Well, we have this huge package for video reviews. I believe this is cover for a pickup truck that is on its way here for the installation. So let's do the unboxing before they get here and see what we got. Warning, keep away from small children. So here it is, truck tonneau cover. Here are the accessories. So these are the locks for it. So we're gonna replace the cover of this one that is breaking, as you can see. How old is it been?
5 years.
5 years. So first thing we're gonna have to do is to take it off. How do you open it? So I believe we're gonna have to replace this railing, no?
Yep.
How is this attached here?
That's it.
That's a couple of screws?
Yep.
Okay. Here. Wait. And now, the first part of the instructions, we're gonna have to clean this up really nice. And we're gonna put a strip. What is this?
Nice one. You can use it.
Here, so we're gonna do that now. Yeah? Okay. Wait. Let's try it first to see how it fits and where it has to be. So I think this is the thing. Let's try it first. But I think it's reversed, you know?
What do you mean? You think this goes that way?
Yeah, because what about these clips here? Needs to attach to something.
Let's see.
Here are the instructions.
It goes click to something.
We figured it out. This is the proper way to do it, and these strips are meant to click in here in case you drive with the cover up. So now we're gonna put a weather strip around here, and we can see it's like what, a half an inch, quarter of an inch. Okay, I think that's it. We're gonna put the strip now. No, at the end. I have a. And let me bring the knife to cut it. Now we're gonna put it on top of it so it's really tight there.
Yep.
So as you can see, it has a little railing here, and this is what's gonna rest the whole thing on top of the weather strip. Go from the side, yeah, because that way you can lift it. So this is perfectly aligned here, and let's close it now.
Wait.
Oh. Okay, and now we have to, oh, but look at this.
No, but that'll go down with the clamp.
This is lifted.
No, that'll go down with the clamp.
Oh, the clamp from inside.
Yep, that'll all go down.
Oh, okay. So now we put the clamps inside.
Slide the front clamp to the best position, the interface under the metal bed rail point.
All the way in?
Yeah. Grab the bottom of the car. That's really what's
Oh, so we figured this out. So this goes in here on the railing, and this one tightens it up here. So let's put this one here. So you have to put it right so like it doesn't move. You don't want that to happen when you're on the road. I think that's it. It's already super tight. You don't want to tighten it too much to break it. Oh, you have to secure it with this. not going anywhere now. So there goes the old one, and as you can see, it was breaking apart. So we really needed to replace it. And now this goes what? To the garbage?
Dumpster.
Recycling material, maybe. It probably took us 30 minutes to do this, but it's because we didn't know exactly how the process was. But once you figure it out, it's super easy. Basically, you don't need any tools to do this. We needed to take the old one off, but once you have that off, it's all done by hand. So there it is, truck tonneau cover on the Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. There you go. Thank you, OEDRO. Good product, good improvement for this truck.